Hey guys, Trucking for America here. This will be a short video of a relay run I did about mid-March, in between kind of the snowstorms that we had in Minnesota and North Dakota. I got a couple of different shots with my cell phone and with the GoPro. I tried some time lapse. I'm still pretty new to all the video settings and whatnot, so I'm not sure how it's all going to turn out because, like I said, some of it is on the phone and some of it is from the GoPro, but I hope you like it. The main thing is, in the bad weather out there, guys, drive safe. You'll see in the video a bunch of cars in the ditch, especially in the winter. The weather changes drastically and quickly. I took a relay load shortly after this one, a few days after this one, and it was even worse. There was jackknife semis, flipped over semis, trucks flipped over in the ditch. They actually shut the interstate down. I was shut down for about 18 hours that time. But like I said, it's just gonna be a short video, just seeing how the different footage from the iPhone and the GoPro go together, and the different either portrait or widescreen. So thanks guys, this is Trucking for America, out. So in some spots of the roads you think it's fine, the roads are dry, they're fine. And then all of a sudden, that's it. Wind's blowing and drifts. That's been the whole interstate eastbound right now on 94. Stay safe out there, drivers. By the time I got to the relay point, it was nighttime, and I ain't trying to drive back in all that icy conditions. So we're just gonna bunk down for the night here in Jamestown, and hopefully conditions are better in the morning. Alright guys, so the question is, once you've taken your army style shower for the night, which is basically a wet wipe to the bum, and you're in your pajamas and you gotta let one loose, do you hold it in or let her blow? Leave it down in the comments. I head back to the warehouse, I like to fuel up, wash all the windows, get reefer fuel if I need it, and get DEF, either at Loves or Pilot. They got both here in St. Cloud, so. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a blessed day and a blessed week.